Can you see ABCs?
ABC, yeah,
Oh, yes.
ABC, happy.
They did. Do you want to sing Row, Row Your Boat? Can you sing it?
ABC.
Okay. Row, row, row your boat. Gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life's big garden. Riley's turn. Oh, there's a duck over there, huh?
That's you.
Swimming, huh? Can you sing now? Row, row your boat?
No, mommy sings that's mommy.
Mommy sing what?
That.
Duck?
Okay.
What duck song should I sing?
That's Father's water.
Oh. 5 little ducks went swimming one day over the hill then far away. Mother duck said, quack, 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 quack. But only 4 little ducks came back.
Riley, do you like being on the boat?
I'll do this one.
I'm gonna go where?
Let's go roll.
You want to row the boat?
I'm gonna row it.
Okay.
Let Daddy help you put it in the water.
Yeah. Good job.
I'll just sign.
You want to row this one?